We are pleased to show you the 2021 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, roof rack, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.